Here's a useful English adjective that you probably would not learn in a regular English class. In English, if we say that something is overwhelming, that means that it's so intense that it's difficult to deal with. So by that logic, the word underwhelming must mean that something isn't intense or difficult to deal with, right? Actually, no. If we say that something is underwhelming, that means that it's not very impressive or exciting. In other words, it's pretty disappointing. This is a very natural-sounding word that native speakers actually use, and as an example, if you went to see a movie that you thought would be really good, but it ended up being really bad, you can say that it was underwhelming. We can use this word to describe pretty much anything that we can have an opinion on, like a TV show, a restaurant, books, places, parties, the new iPhone. If it didn't impress you, or if it wasn't as good as you thought it was going to be, you can say that it's underwhelming. So what's one thing that you would describe as underwhelming? Let me know in the comments below.